Hi there, my name's Philip and welcome to Totally Amazing. So, Easter's on its way, as you can probably guess, and I thought, hey, why not let's draw the Easter Bunny. So, today I'm going to need pencil. That egg was great. So today we're going to need pencil, rubber, marker, and I'm going to have some colours as well. But mostly the bunny is white, so anyway, we'll get to it. Let's start drawing the Easter Bunny, shall we? Alrighty, so let's start putting down our basic shapes to start off with. So first of all, let's start drawing a circle for where the head's going to go. So a nice round circle just like that. Now let's indicate for the ears. I'm going to have one ear going straight up, and we'll have one ear floppy, so it's going to be like a V shape at the top there. So that's going to indicate where our head's going to go. And let's draw the body. So basically for the body, we're going to need an oval, like that. Now for one arm, I'm going to put in a curve, which is sort of like a C shape. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same, but backwards, like that. Now for the feet, let's put in a semicircle over here and a semicircle over here to indicate where the feet are going to go. I'm going to put in a little leg over here, so it's going to be a nice curve like that. And for the tail, just a little curve over the back there. Now it's the Easter Bunny, so we need to put in an Easter egg. So let's put in an Easter egg like he's holding an Easter egg. So we've got a nice Easter egg shape just like that. Very cool. All right, let's start putting in some details of the actual bunny. So the head. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a curve in here to indicate the dimensions of the face, and then we're going to go around like that, and it's going to be a little curve at the bottom there. So now I'm going to put a curve across here, and I'm going to put in a heart shape for the nose. Now let's give him a bit of a smile. So from the base of the nose, draw two curves coming out either side, just like that. Alrighty, now let's do the eyes. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3 circles. I'll put in little sparkles in the middle one, so that's one eye. And for the other eye, 1, 2, and 3 again. Sparkles on the inside. And that's our eyes for the Easter Bunny. Very cute. So let's work on the ears now. For this ear, we're just going to do some curves straight up. So it's going to look almost like a leaf, so up and up, meeting at the top there. And we do it for the inside as well, just like that. Now we're going to do the other side. Now for this side, we're going to put in a bit of a curve first, and it points back up like that. And we're going to bring it around and bring it around underneath. And from where this point finishes, we're going to bring our line back up and line back up like that. So that's the inside of the ear. So it looks like it's a floppy ear now. So that's the Easter Bunny's head. Alrighty, he's looking good. Alrighty, now let's start on the hand. So I'm going to do a C shape, C shape, C shape. So little curves like that, and then bring it back like that. On the other side, we're going to do the same. So C, C, and C, and bring that down. So that's the arms done. Nice and easy. All right, so the egg is there. So we're going to have our feet at the bottom. We're going to do the same as what we did for the hands. So we're going to bring around. We're going to have a C, C, and C, like that. And the same on this side. C, C, and C. And we bring that over to finish off the foot like that. And that's the basic details. Let's put in some details on the actual egg itself. So I'm going to put in some nice jagged lines like that. 1, 2, 3. And put a line at the top and a line at the bottom for nice little curves. And let's just give him a little bit of a chest, which will come down like that. There we go. So that's the basics of our sketch for the Easter Bunny. Let's start inking him now. And there you have it, the basics on how to draw the Easter bunny. How cute does he look? He's a little cute little bunny, isn't he? He's a cute little bunny. You look good, you look good. That's the Easter bunny for you guys. So there you go, guys. That's the details on how to draw a very easy Easter bunny for Easter. Yay, it's almost Easter. Chocolate eggs, chocolate eggs. So I hope you have a lovely Easter, guys. I hope the Easter bunny is very good to you and you've been very good for the Easter bunny. Speaking of being good, I think it'd be really good if you could put a like, subscribe and ring that bell button. That'd be really good. The Easter bunny really would like that. Also, I have my own comic. It's called And Spy. It's full of magic and adventure. It's an amazing tale, really awesome story. There's a link down below. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a really lovely Easter and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now. Alrighty, so let's start off by drawing blooper reel. Ah, that egg was great. So today we're going to need pencil,